Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, in last class, we all have done our chapter number 1, that is input, output, and storage devices. We all have learned about different type of devices. So, in this class, I will show you one thing you all have to see here. So I have shown you keyboard and the different type of keys. So we are going to learn in this class and this video more about keyboard. So we'll start. Now students, I am showing you some pictures. You all have to find out the odd and common in these pictures. Pencil, keyboard, and pen. Now you all tell me the common thing in the pencil, pen and keyboard. Yes, we can write by pencil and pen. And by keyboard we can type. So this time we are going to learn the new chapter that is more about keyboard. We are going to learn about more about keyboard. Now students, we all have to read the riddle and find out the answer. My name start with K. With letters and numbers you play. Type a poem, story and letter. Using my keys your work become better. Can you guess who am I? Yes, you all are right. It's keyboard. Is it keyboard? Yes, Alia. Now let me teach you more about keyboard keys. So one student and teacher are talking in computer lab and Alia is asking that is it keyboard? Then teacher told yes, it is keyboard and I will tell you about more about keyboard. So in this session we all are going to learn more about the keyboard and keyboard keys. In this chapter we all are going to explore, learn about Quittery keyboard. We will going to learn about Quittery keyboard. Then after we are going to understand different types of keys, the different types of keys on the keyboard. In last chapter we all have learned about different types of devices, input, output and storage device. So in this chapter we are going to learn keyboard, and keyboard is input device. Why input device? Because when we type something we give instructions to the computer and it give instructions to through monitor and it display us. So that's why we call keyboard as an input device. Now we are going to see the Quittery keyboard. What is Quittery keyboard? It is a kind of a keyboard which does not start in alphabetic order A to Z. It starts with Q W E R T Y. Quittery keyboard. I will show you example through my laptop. Now you can see my laptop keys. It starts with Q W E R T Y. It starts with Quittery, that's why we call this Quittery keyboard. Now you all have to read the I read session with me. Keyboard is an input device. We can enter or type data by pressing various keys on the keyboard. Quittery keyboard, the key and the letters on the keyboards are not arranged in alphabetic order. The keyboard used by us are also known as Quittery keyboard. As the arrangement of letter in the first row keyboard is in this order, this arrangement of letter is similar to that one found on the typewriter. So you can see in this picture, first row, QWERTY. In lab, you all have seen the keyboard and you have noticed that QWERTY alphabet is not in alphabetic order. So this keyboard called Quetery keyboard. So who invented the Quetery keyboard? I want to tell you. Christopher Latham Souls was American inventor who invented the Quetery keyboard. Keep it in your mind that who invented the Quetery keyboard. Now you all have to tell me which keys are this. This keys A to Z. Yes, alphabet keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0 to 9 keys. Number keys. This control, backspace, shift, caps lock, enter, special keys. This up, down, right, left, cursor key. And F1 to F12 function keys. So in this, now we are going to discuss one by one all the different types of keys. There are many types of keys in the keyboard. We are going to learn alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, function keys and special keys. Now I would like to ask you all why number keys are at two places, here and here, and why numlock key is there. So I would like to ask you all this question and find out the answer why keyboard has a two different arrangements of number key on the keyboard, and you all have to answer me in the next Zoom class. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to find out how number keys are at two places in keyboard, and I will ask you in the Zoom class. Bye students, be safe, stay home.